Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts while you work. Next, heat the screen edges to about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for a minute or two. This softens the adhesive and makes separation predictable. Once done, place a suction cup near the bottom, lift gently, and slide thin picks evenly around the frame. You want to separate adhesive gradually, not yank. Make sure to keep picks shallow to avoid damaging the OLED or cables beneath. With the screen loosened, remove the visible screws holding the mid-frame and lift it off carefully so you can access the flex cable area. You must disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting, then unplug the display and fingerprint flex connectors. This prevents damage to the motherboard. Once disconnected, remove the old screen assembly and transfer necessary components like the earpiece, camera brackets, and adhesive strips to the replacement. Do this slowly. Mixing screw sizes or misplacing parts will complicate reassembly. You now reconnect the display and fingerprint cables first, then the battery last. That order lowers the risk of accidental shorts. Apply new adhesive strips to the frame, align the new screen precisely, and press evenly around the edges. A brief gentle heat helps the adhesive bond. Once assembled, power the phone on and test the touchscreen, front camera, fingerprint sensor, microphones, and speaker. Make sure functions respond before sealing completely. If touch is unresponsive, ensure connectors are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.